Thank you, Joe Anderson, for being so wonderful.
Hey!
Hey! Okay, we have another edition of our
Goals Planning Success Kit.
G.P.S.
Yes.
Kit, and we're just trying to break these cards down. You can find them on our website. If you give us some information, we'll send you hard copies. You can just go ahead and give us nothing and download something, I think. Mm-hmm. Right?
They have to give us their name and email address.
All right, you got to give us your name. That's not so bad. Okay, but this is a great tool. And if you watched the first few, yes, I'm going to repeat something. But so the first card that we had, just in case you're jumping in midway, is the Road to Success worksheet. And that is just identifying your success criteria, being clear about what has to be true when your event is over. We had the engine diagnosis, which is taking a look at what's worked in the past, what hasn't worked in the past. Watch these two videos. Start with the Road to Success first, and then you have the Road Work Ahead, which was the last video hopefully you watched, and that is looking at the obstacles and challenges and developing strategies. And now we're going to move on to the next card, which is the
Audience Terrain.
And it is your fuel. The audience terrain is your fuel. And so what does that mean? So the best way to describe this is that we like to get people to look at all the different audiences, including themselves, including their own internal team and their bosses and different people, to all the people at a trade show. And then identifying what kind of experience you want to have. Your current client who comes to visit you that's been a long time, the client that's their second year, to the new prospect that's coming to the booth for the first time, but that you've called and scheduled an appointment, you've been working them on SEO work and calls with salespeople and social media, now they've agreed to come see you, compared to someone who's been at the show 3 years, stops by and gets the swag and leaves. You want to address how you want an experience to happen at your booth for everyone and have a plan. Definitely have a plan. And so on this card you're going to see some examples, and we just breaks down some, and you might have some custom ones too, but renewal clients, just your existing clients. You really want to think about what you want to do there. And a great example is if you know you're going to see certain clients and you got some marquee ones, maybe developing a custom experience. It's a gift, for example. A small little, hey, I know their favorite drink is this, or this person likes the coffee, I'm going to schedule, getting them to the coffee shop that's around the corner in the show hall. You make provisions and think about it, not on the fly. You got a plan. To, the obvious. You're there to get leads. So you really want to get clear about an emotion you want someone to feel, the importance of them feeling that way. If you're closing someone, you want them to have a particular emotion. If you're being appreciative of an existing person, you want them to have a certain emotion. So there's got to be a strategy and there's got to be a plan for it. I mean, it's all simple stuff, but sometimes getting a worksheet, if you will, and this is that we run our clients through, even the tactile booth functional stuff, but you get clear about these things and you just do your trade show success. That much advantage.
Yeah.
So thank you. That's it. That's a wrap.